back. I'm teaching Alexa today how to cut an onion. Alexa, remember how you hold your knife, right? You're going to shake hands with it, no fingers sticking out, and we're going to keep our fingers tucked nice and tight on the vegetable that we're cutting. First thing is to cut this little hairy end off. We're going to throw it in there. Then you're going to cut a little bit, because you got a little piece hanging off here. We're going to cut that off.
Oops. Thanks.
That's good. And then we're going to peel the outer edge. Get all this outside part off.
It's harder with gloves on.
I know, it's hard to peel with gloves on.
More? Is that good?
Nope, that's good.
Not this part?
No, you can leave that. I'm still going, sorry. Oh, this is so tricky. Okay, last but not least, there we go. Now, you're gonna put the cut side down. The idea is to always get the flattest edge down so that things don't roll. Okay, and the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it in half. I like to put my hand over. No. Wait, let me see your edge. Yeah, that's fine, okay. So, put your fingers, yeah, and then put your knife in the middle of your hands. Yeah, you got it. And you're gonna cut just right in half. Use some pressure on the knife. Put some pressure, yeah. There you go, good girl. Slide it through. Now again, you wanna put your flat side down. So let's get rid of one, and we're gonna put the flat side down. So now you have a nice, stable, sturdy surface to cut up. You're gonna make small slices. You're not gonna go all the way through to the end. You wanna keep this little butt attached, okay? So where's your butt? It's on this side. So you're gonna start cutting this way. Slice this way, but don't go all the way through the end. So I'll show you what I mean. So see how I'm just leaving this part attached?
Yeah.
And you want to make nice even slices, about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch through. Oh, that's perfect, Lex.
Thanks. I'm a natural.
Again, you want to tuck your fingers, right? Now when it gets like this, you might want to put one hand over here for stability and just tuck that so that it doesn't slip out of your, yeah, there you go.
I'm sorry to cut that.
Gets a little tricky when you get to that end.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. You know what? You can just go here now.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we're going to make a couple of slices parallel to the cutting board.
This
Okay?
way?
So, like this. One this way. Slide it through. And then one more above. And I'm even going to make one more on top.
Oh God, okay. This way?
Now go a little bit lower. Start like there. Yep.
All the way through?
Yep. Not all the way. That's good. Now one more. Watch that thumb. That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Why
Now,
did I lose pieces?
that's all right. We can just stick them back there. Now we're going to come back and we're going to hold it as tight as possible from both ends while kind of tucking our fingers. And we're going to make slices straight down. Kind of small, like 1/8 of an inch. Good job!
Thanks.
Awesome! So Alexa did more of a dice. I did a little bit more of a brunoise, which is a little bit smaller. And you can go even tinier, which would be minced if you want really, really little pieces. But you get nice, even cuts. And you do it, once you do it, you know, a couple times, you'll get faster at it, so you don't even cry. Best way to cut an onion. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay. Bye, guys.